Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Polar area questions look scary, but this one collapses fast if you use the petal formula carefully and track the interval the graph actually traces. Start with the polar area formula, 1/2 integral of r squared d theta, because enclosed area for a polar curve comes from sweeping radius lengths through angle. Here, r equals 3 sine of 5 theta, so square it to get 9 sine squared 5 theta. Then integrate over 0 to pi to capture the whole region. Use sine squared x equals 1 minus cosine 2x over 2, simplify, and evaluating the integral gives 45 pi over 8, about 7.069. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, sign mistakes, and rushing. Rule, trust the given interval and check steps so your area stays correct.